Hello and a really big warm welcome to this Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday and we're continuing with our ChatGPT series, and we're going to see how we can gain knowledge about code, ask how to code something, and have a great explanation about that code. So if you're getting started with learning development, or even if you've got a development project that you are struggling with, we're going to see how ChatGPT can really help you out. Come on. Let's find that demonstration. And again, we're back on our Ubuntu desktop and we've got ChatGPT open. I'm just using ChatGPT 3.5 and perhaps we've got a project we want to work on. So we can go through and then just put whatever we want to do. Can you suggest a Python script to pick the UK lottery numbers? Well, obviously we're not expecting them to pick the actual winning numbers, however you never know, but we should be able to get it to pick a selection for us. Spelling mistakes generally don't matter too much, but let's tidy this up so it's clear what we want to do. Give that the big enter key. So we're trying to encourage you to get used to using ChatGPT or other AI engines. But we can see here that, well, it's got some code. It looks like it might work. So let's go through and copy this and put it into PyCharm. And we can go through and paste it. Here we can see the code a little bit better. Let's just sort this out. Well, okay, let's go through and see. We can go through and execute it. Let's make sure we're on the current file and then execute it. And you can see there, well, here it's picked 6 tickets. And obviously we can choose then the ticket that we want. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers, so it looks about right. And the numbers run up to 59, and we can see we've got 59 there. So again, it is all looking quite good. So we might be quite happy with this. But also just consider, depending what we know about Python, we might not really understand what's going on in the code. So we can say, this works great, but I am just learning. So can you explain the code step by step? Now, as we go through, let's just move down. We can see then it defines the import statement. So importing a module, defining then the function, and then how we go through. And it's put it literally line by line, and then explaining how the code then fits together. So we should be able to get a good understanding of our code. We might also have heard of things like type hints. Type hints can describe what a variable should be holding or what a function is returning. So we could say, my boss says I should always have type hints. Can you add this to the code for me? And again, when we go through and look at what it's generating, and then it's explained the code as well. But again, I'm just going to go through and copy the code and put it through into PyCharm. So hopefully you can see some of the things that we can do. Let's go through and just select everything in here, delete it, and then paste it back in. But remember, if you do like these videos, then why not like and possibly even subscribe? The more likes I get, well, the easier it is for other people to be able to find the videos so you can share your experience with other people. But when we go through and take a look at our code now, let's just bring the results window down a little bit. So we've got our import random, from typing import list. But we can then go through and start seeing, well, okay, well, look, we've got our numbers, which is a list, and it's a list of integers. We've gone through and say, well, look, the main function is returning nothing. And yeah, we're probably about all that we needed on our type hints there. So we can see then that the system can really go through and help us. And if we need to meet certain standards, well, we can add that standards to the code. It might not produce exactly what you want, but it's giving you an idea of what can be done. So we could then perhaps go in and start modifying the code a little bit just to get it to more work the custom way that we want. But again, we could prompt within ChatGPT if we needed to adjust it. But there's our code. We can get our UK lottery numbers. And, well, I'm wishing you the best of luck for Saturday on your lottery.
All that is left to say is thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this, then you are probably sadder than I first thought. For more of this drivel, please subscribe, like and comment to @TheUrbanPenguin.